Hello class 5 students, I hope you are all doing well. Today we are going to start with the chapter 3, that is the Iron Age, and the main points are the Iron Age and the life of people. The Iron Age in India. So class, let's start. Take the name of the thing made from iron and cross the name of the thing which is not made from iron. First, axe. Second, tire. Third, train. Fourth, toy car. Fifth, rail. Sixth, machine. Seventh, boat. Eighth, hockey stick. Ninth, television. 10th, pen. 11th, nail. 12th, table. So class, you have to take in front of those items which are made from iron. Now let's start. The Bronze Age ended in 1200 BC when iron came to be used. Iron was harder and stronger than copper and bronze. It started to be used for making different things. So this period is called the Iron Age. Now the Iron Age. Iron was discovered in the Middle East in around 1200 BC. Later it spread to Egypt, Greece, West Africa, Northern Europe, India and West Asia. People came to know how they could get iron from rocks and how iron tools could be made. The Iron Age started in different regions in different periods as people came to know about getting iron from rocks and making tools, weapons, pots, utensils, etc. of iron in different times. Iron is mixed with rocks called iron ore. Iron ore was melted at very high temperature and then iron was separated from the ore. This iron was heated and hammered to make arms, weapons, pots and utensils in the desired shape. We can see how iron helped in changing the life of the early people. Here you can see in the picture making tools from iron. Agriculture. Agriculture was the main occupation of the people during the Bronze Age. But it was very difficult to dig the ground for sowing seeds. When iron started to be used by the people, they made some agriculture tools like plough from iron. The iron plough was harder than wooden or bronze plough. The plough was made from wood with an iron tip to dig the ground. People started cultivating hard lands also with the help of this iron plough. Farmers used other iron tools for agriculture like axe for cutting trees and sickle for harvesting crops and cutting plants, branches, etc. Here you can see the picture ploughing in the Iron Age. An axe of Iron Age. As iron tools made agriculture easier, the population increased. People started to make bell-shaped big pits to store harvested crops. Some of these pits were 7 feet deep. Many pits of this type are found at the archaeological sites of the Iron Age in Hampshire in United Kingdom. Now, tools and weapons. People not only made agriculture tools like plough, axe and sickle from iron in the Iron Age, but they also made swords, spears and arrowheads. People started to live in large communities and establishing their territories. These communities were led by their kings. They were called tribes. These tribes fought among themselves to capture each other's land. They fought with iron armor. Soldiers of different tribes captured lands of other tribes and helped their kings become more powerful with these iron weapons. Life of people. The agriculture production increased due to use of iron tools in agriculture. People started to store extra grains in pits. This resulted in starting of other occupations like pottery, carpentry, metalworking, etc. The work of blacksmiths becomes very important. They started exchanging their goods with grains from farmers. In this way, trading started. People started using coins to make trading easy. Nearly 5,000 Iron Age coins are found in Leicestershire, United Kingdom. Many new machines like potter's wheels and rotary querns were introduced during the Iron Age. The potter's wheel was rotated using a stick. Potters used to make earthen pots on this wheel with great speed and in a more finished way. This method of pottery is also known as throwing. The rotary quern was made for grinding grains into flour. Two rounded quern stones placed one upon the other and moved with the help of a handle to make flour. Here you can see in the pictures potter's wheel and a rotary quern. The Iron Age in India. The Iron Age started in India in about 1000 BC as many iron implements like arrowheads and spears are found out in the Iron Age archaeological sites at Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Iron is mentioned as Shama or Krishna Ayas in the later Vedic text. Some iron tools and weapons like swords, nails, sickles, hoes and daggers are also found in the burial sites of the Iron Age. Here you can see the picture of iron implements of India. Now, the iron implements of India. The Vedic literature mentions
a number of Janapadas and Mahajanapadas formed in this country during the Iron Age. Janapadas were republic and Mahajanapadas were the greater republics. The use of iron also led to the establishment of the Mauryan Empire in Magadha, Bihar. It was the first empire of India. Now, the valued fact, use of iron tools in agriculture helped in increasing the production of grains. An awesome fact, iron also helped in making better stone tools like potter's wheel, etc. Now, let's learn new words. Archaeologist, a person who studies the ancient ruins of places and things. Pit, a deep pot or place to store grains. Armor, the metal cover to protect the body in battles. Now kids, let's remember, iron was discovered in the Middle East in around 1200 BC. It started to be used in India in around 1000 BC. Iron is separated from the iron ores by melting it and then many tools, weapons, pots and utensils are made. The use of iron plow, sickle and axe in agriculture helped increases the production of crops. Iron weapons like swords, spears and arrowheads helped communities or tribes establish their territories and kingdom. Many other occupations like carpentry, pottery or work of blacksmith started after the discovery of iron. Discovery of iron led to the establishment of many Janapadas and Mahajanapadas. Now, exercise. First, take the right answer. First, iron was discovered in, options are Africa, Greece, Middle East, Europe. I hope you all like this session. Now we will meet in the next class. Till then, bye-bye.